guys, I planned to do a Aldi vlog, but then my phone got hot and turned off, so I decided to give you an Aldi haul. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick haul of all the groceries that I got, so stay tuned. So, got some thin sliced green-tastic bread, some mild bar cheddar cheese, of course the chocolates, caramel brownie cream, crunchy caramel sea salt, some celery, some mandarins, onions, a pineapple, some chicken flavored side dish, 2 plantains, 2 green peppers, butternut squash, a 10-pound of russet potatoes, some medium cooked shrimp, whipped cream, orange juice, lemons, a 2-pound bag of Macintosh apples, a bag of avocados, some sour cream, of course, always on deck, Winking Owl California Moscato, some grape tomatoes, strawberries, 2 containers of salmon, a chicken Caesar salad, some chunky medium salsa, some turkey lunch meat, some bacon, Hot Pockets, some steak fries, cilantro, spinach, a cucumber, and some spring mix. Also got some a case of bottled water. So, what is your weekly budget for groceries? For this family of 3, we try to keep it to $100 a week, $400 a month. Sometimes we go over, sometimes we do well, sometimes we go over budget, but that's our budget. So thank you so much for watching.